Hello viewers, welcome back to my video. Today I'll show you how you can create a LinkedIn ad. So create your LinkedIn ad. You have to go for business, and then here you will get a advertise option or button. You have to click here. Then it will come here, and you have to choose account. If you don't have account yet, you can create the account by clicking here, and it's a simple step. Just you have to click the create account, then you choose account, then give it a name and currency. That's it. Then already, as I have already created an account, so I will choose an account here. Then for create a new ad, you have to click on create, then you can click on campaign. So here is two options you have. You can switch the mode, quick mode, and you have advanced option. If you want to choose target, or if you want advanced options on your if you want to customize your ad mode, then you have to go for advanced mode. So today I'll show advanced mode, because if you know the advanced mode, the quick mode is will be easy for you. So for now I will choose the advanced mode, then I will go for next, and here you can select the objective of your campaign. So as I have, I will promote, or my final destination will be my website. So I will click for website visits. Then you have to go down. Here you can select the audience. Here you can select from here audience. You can select the audience. So for my case, I will choose small business owner. So then you have to click on OK. Then you can select the location. As in my case, it will be Singapore. You can set it as you need. Here also you can select the language. In my case, I will choose English. Then you can select the job seniorities, and you can select the company size. You just need to click here and you can select these job seniorities. In my case, the job seniority is okay, also company size is okay. Then go down and you can select the ad format. So you can select the single image, or you can select carousel image. Carousel image in LinkedIn, you also can post carousel images, 4-5 images you can add like carousel. Also you can video, you can add text, spotlight, message, conversation, event. So in my case, I will post single image, so I will keep it. Then you can set the daily budget. Here is 3 option you have. You can select both daily and lifetime budget, and you can set the daily budget and you can set the lifetime budget. So I'll go for the daily budget, and my daily budget will be $10 for now. as I am uh, as I am only showing you. The LinkedIn recommending you that at least per day you boost $100. So you can do that if you want, but as I am showing you, that's for that I will spend $10 only. So I will select the uh, 10 10 10 August to 10 August. As I am running it for one day, I'll choose 10 August. Starting date also ending date is 10 August. Okay, and let's keep it the maximum delivery. Then we have to go for next. So for now we have to create a ad format for my campaign. So I'll create a new. So here you have to, you can create a ad name. In my case I will say my company name Cyber Aid AUG on. It's mean August on. It's mean this is the first campaign in August of our. Then we have to set a description or text, as I already prepared it. I will paste it here. You can see how it will look like. We can see a preview. Okay, now we have to set a destination link here. So I will give our contact page as destination URL, so people can send us message or can get our number. Okay, so we will set the contact page where we have the contact form. So it will okay, then we have a title here, headline. We can set a headline. Okay, okay, so here we can send the set the headline here. Then here is a description, you can select, and here you have to select the image, which image you want to show. So I will upload a image, we already prepared it before. So this is my image. Okay, the image is okay, good. And yes, we can select this image here. Then we have to select a call to action button. So which one? Learn more, sign up, subscribe. We can select learn more, or if we have contact us, it will be good. Also we can use the subscribe, or we can select the learn more button. Okay, that's it. Or we can see preview of mobile, and also you can preview on desktop. So now we can save it. You can see your ad has been successfully saved. Now we have to go for next. And it's showing a preview of our campaign. Then we can launch our so our campaign is ready, but we have to set our billing address here. You have to here you have to give your payment payment method. You have to set payment method to active your ad. So I am also showing that because if you don't know how to set up payment method, that's why. Now we have to click on agree and launch campaign. That's it. We set up our payment method. And here you can see our status is not delivering because we have scheduled it on 10 August. So as we set our payment method and everything is okay, so this ad will be active within 10 August. You can edit until our campaign is